What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to share how to never ever run out of ideas when it comes to low and no content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're brand new to low and no content, then check out that link down in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course outlines everything I did step by step to reach that $1,000 per month mark within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, never ever running out of ideas. Niches is for low and no content books is quite easy if you know what to look for. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas that you can go and research to see if there's demand for that book. Because remember, you don't just want to be creating books for the hell of it, or if you come up with an idea, you don't just want to go and create that book. What we want to do and how we make sales is finding search terms that people are actually searching for with regards to books, and then go and create that. So in a sense, we're solving someone's problem. If someone's looking for a unique monkey gift, then we can go and create a monkey gift notebook and fill that demand. So like I said, in this video I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas and a good few different ways to come up with an endless amount of ideas. So what we're going to mainly use is Google. Google is your best friend. So what I've already done is pulled up all of these ideas. We're just going to go through the tabs and I'm going to show you what to actually look for. So let's close this one and go on to the first. So the first one is a list of most popular animals. So there's hundreds of animals out there. People are looking for gifts within the cat niche, the monkey niche, the dog niche, the bear niche. People are looking for literally these types of journals or these types of gifts. So the easiest way to find all these different animal niches is just type in list of most popular animals. Then you can go on to this one. You can go on to this one, so 100 most influential animals in the world. So what you could do after typing in list of most popular animals is go through and build out a spreadsheet with all these different types of animals, and then do a little bit of research a little bit later on to see if there's actual demand for that niche. But that's the first one, animals. Who would have thought, hey, that people are looking for journals and gifts within the animal niche? And as you know, there's going to be hundreds of different types of animals. Now the next one is sports. So list of most popular sports. People are looking for gifts and journals, notebooks with tennis, volleyball, table tennis, basketball, baseball. These are all different types of niches that you can create unique novelty journals and notebooks around. Again, you just have to put in the research first before you create the books. So for an example, let's take volleyball. So let's go over to Amazon and type in volleyball. So as you can see right here, volleyball gifts. People are looking for volleyball gifts. So if we click on this, if you create a volleyball notebook or a journal and target these keywords, then every time someone searched for a volleyball GIF, they're more than likely going to come across your notebook or your journal, and if they like the look of it, they're going to buy it for their friend or relative. so it has to look good as well. But if we go down, we can see, so there's none on the first page. This might be, oh, there we go. So look, a volleyball colouring book. There's a good example there. And look at the BSR, 29,000th place. So this sells. You could do a volleyball colouring book, journal, notebook, composition book, so many different ideas. But again, you have to do the research first. So if you go and type in list of most popular sports, build out a spreadsheet of all these different sports, then go and do the research to actually see if people are searching for it. And if we do that, we can see volleyball gifts for teen girls, team, coach, women. Right here is a bunch of different ideas that you can create your books around just within the volleyball niche. So that's the second one, a list of most popular sports, and there's going to be so many different types out there. So the third one, list of most popular food. There's people out there looking for tea gifts, coffee gifts, and so many others. Again, you have to put in that research first to see if people, or see if that's actually in demand. Then the fourth one, if that's going to load, is list of most popular jobs. Now, me personally, I've recently done this. I was doing this the beginning of the week, and I already have around 200 different job titles which people are searching for on Amazon and looking for gifts. So I now have around 200 job titles that I can turn into books. Now, if you're part of the LCB Vault, over the next couple of weeks, I am going to create a video on that and give you the whole list of around 200 job titles. But this is a great one. So just come over to Google and type in list of most popular jobs. Then you can find all these different types of jobs. Do the research over on Amazon to see if people are actually searching for gifts or journals or notebooks, and create books to fill that demand. So right away, let's take waitress. So let's see if that is waitress. Is that spelt right? Yeah. Gifts. So look, waitress gifts for women. Funny. So people are actually searching for waitress gifts. So you could go and create a really nice, unique, good looking notebook, journal, target these keywords and sell it as a gift idea. So the popular jobs is a real great one. If you come through to Google, do your research, you can find so many job titles just within this niche. Like I said, I've actually got 200 now, which I'm in the process of creating books for. Then, so that's the fourth one. So if we go over to the fifth one, list of most popular plants. So you can go through here, all these different types of plants, do the research over on Amazon and see if there's demand. So what have we covered? We've covered quite a lot. We've covered animals, sports, job titles, food, plants. There's so many different types of ideas out there, even just to create notebooks and journals. Now, with all the job titles, there's going to be one like accountants. So instead of doing an accountant notebook, you could do an accountant logbook. There's so many different ideas. So when I hear people saying that Amazon is saturated or KDP is saturated, I have to strongly disagree, just because the vast amount of niches that are out there that you can create books around. Now, if you actually go ahead, take action on this video on all these different niches which I just shared here within this video, then this is going to give you hundreds, probably thousands of ideas, thousands of niches that you can create books around. and it's going to keep you going for absolutely months, because what I just shared is an endless idea of niches. Just go and do the research, find all these niches for food, sports, and all these others. Build out that huge list within a spreadsheet, then just do that little bit of research on Amazon to see if there's actual demand, and then just go and create those books. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.